What's up, everybody? I am back. Check out my live stream earlier. I am talking about those conservative buck dancers. But Kim Porter is now a topic these days now, and I feel like I just wanted to say I never believed that woman died of natural causes. Okay, her death was probably the most suspect thing that I had seen in a long time when it happened. And I really thought Diddy the whole time. I thought Diddy the whole time. And there was a lot of stuff coming out about, you know, her relationship with Diddy. It wasn't what we thought it was. And Albie Shore was really revealing. And you notice that Albie Shore, he had some life threatening things happening to him. We almost lost Albie Shore. You know what I mean? And he kind of shut down a lot of that fervor that he was pushing out because he was really alluding to the fact that this was not a natural thing, that she was murdered. Okay? And, it's really, really sad. And, I often wonder about Quincy too, because I'm like, you know, it just like we didn't see a lot of Quincy after Kim Porter's death. And I mean, I'm curious to know even what his relationship is like with Diddy, right? Because we don't hear too much about him. But I do want to say that during that time, right, that she passed away, obviously everybody was obsessed with this abrupt death of this woman. And so I was really following some of her close friends, that the commentary and stuff. And one of the people that I was following was Ebony, Electra, I think the sister's name is, and she was Kim Porter's best friend. Okay, Ebony, Electra, and Kim were pretty tight. You'll see a lot of pictures on her Instagram of Kim and Ebony on trips and stuff. So this was a real 100 for Kim. And even Ebony was very ambiguous about her commentary on Kim's death. But Ebony is coming out and saying that this book that is circulating about Kim Porter is not the book that Kim Porter was actually writing when she passed on, right? And I believe when you go back and look at that information and reporting on that, there was some stuff stolen from her house, including a laptop that was supposedly missing, right? And so, what I can imagine is that, again, these leeches, right? They're going to try to profit off of any and everybody because they're low value and they can't profit off of themselves. And I think what somebody is doing is they are profiting off of the Diddy sensationalism and the Kim Porter thing. And they know that Kim Porter is going to be a topic because everything about her death, down to the autopsy, the coroner's report, all of that was very suspicious. It just rang cover up. So let me know what you guys think. I don't support this book that is being circulated about Kim Porter. I don't think it is the real story of Kim Porter, and even her friends and people who are close to her are saying that's not her stuff. It's missing a lot of key important details, right? And so I think this is a sham. But let me know what you guys think. Did you read the book? Does it seem like this book is reading Kim Porter's voice? Or do you feel like this book is just some psyop that somebody is using to capitalize on the Diddy situation and her death at the same time? And if that is the case, these people are evil and wicked, and they deserve whatever they get in the end. But anyways, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. I expect for a lot of revelations to be coming out as Diddy is being revealed, but I also, I expect for more people to start getting taken down too, because I don't think Diddy is that type that will just go down. And they're going to really be after his sons too. I think they're really going to be after Christian and his sons, his family, harassing them, right? Because they want to know if there are copies and collateral that are floating around. Right now, Diddy got a mini insurance policy, right? He have a mini insurance policy. And that's why, in some respects, he is better off alive right now because they don't know what or who has what. So let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.